Welcome everybody to break 863. Thanks Jake, appreciate it. What's up Larry? What's up Garrett? What's going on Greg? I didn't see you at the Panthers. Yeah, I do know what you're going for. What's going on Matt? And the newlywed. What's going on Justin? Welcome to the breaks Jake. Good luck to all of you. We have 2017 Panini Majestic, 2017 Gold Standard, 2017 Pantheon. We like first timers. Always welcome. Alright, we're going to go Majestic, then Gold Standard, then Pantheon. I think I saw a picture of that, Matt. That's pretty awesome. Why is this packet Majestic harder to rip than the others? Alright. It's kind of a tight pack, so that's why I was not going to cut it, but I'm going to cut it. Alright, 10 cards out. Let's go through. We got Kirk Cousins out of 99. That one for the Redskins belongs to Nick Circina. Bills Tyrod Taylor out of 99. Belongs to Sheldon Shear. And our first hit is for the Minnesota Vikings, Laquan Treadwell. Protégés Materials, number to 149. Treadwell belongs to Lee Huskisson. Call that number out, 149. Next up for the Tennessee Titans, Unsung Warriors, Derrick Henry. Derrick Henry, number to 125. If you're ever looking to move Derrick Henry, contact Paul Stout. He's a big collector of them. We were just talking about him yesterday. Picks of the Pats, the Patriots. Yeah, I can do that. Unsung Warriors, Zach Ertz for the Eagles. That one's out of 75. You better hurry on that one. I think that guy's marked to ship tomorrow. I think he is. Eagles hit. Who's that going to? John Strong. Ooh, nice relic for the Bears. This is Jordan Howard. 3-color patch, Unsung Warriors, number to 75. Bears hit belongs to Michael Atkins. Well, then why would you start talking to me if you can't hear me? Everybody go make fun of Justin Jenkins. Next hit is Team Pedigree Autographs. Le'Veon Bell, very nice. I don't think we pulled him from Majestic yet. This card is going to Barry Andrew Ludwig. Nice hit. I'll PM Justin when we're out of here. Next one is Gerard Evans. Number to 199, this RPA. I feel like we've looked him up and he goes to the Eagles. But I'm going to do it again. Undrafted. And this one, I'm seeing Packers pop up. Well, there it is. Okay, he was Eagles, then Packers. And we go by the rules listed. It's whoever he started the year of the product with, and that was with the Eagles. So this card is going to John Strong, Gerard Evans. Yeah, I did. I answered him. He said he couldn't hear me. And we got another D.D. Westbrook, not the Jaguar you probably wanted, out of 99. This RPA with a two-color patch is headed to Larry Moretti. We call it the number to 99 for DD. All right, last card out of Majestic is Wondrous Receivers. Drew Pearson for the Dallas Cowboys. It's a cool one out of 49. Dallas Cowboys hit going to Jason Hillier. Is DD even in the NFL anymore? I don't know. I'm not going to pause again and look it up at the moment. I already held you guys up too long. I know John Ross was in uniform today, and the funny thing is, it was the other dude. God, who's the other guy? We've been pulling a lot out of him. I just went brain dead on the name. See him on a card. Malone, I think. Josh Malone caught a touchdown today. Mike Williams, yeah, he was, I saw him talking about him in the Chargers game. They were talking about how they tried a Hail Mary to him at the end of the first half. Chris Ivory, Jaguars. Number to 75-9. Jaguars card belongs to Larry Moretti. And next one for the 49ers, Pierre Garcon. Out of 49. Pierre Garcon, it's a 49ers card on the card listed. Come on. 49ers card goes to Derek Leroy. Next up, newly minted, you'll see him tomorrow night, Kareem Hunt. Rookie relic for the Chiefs. Out of 199. Kareem Hunt belongs to Mike McSabe. Nice hit. Paxton Lynch is next. Golden Jumbo Threads. Numbered out of 99 for the Denver Broncos. Probably won't see him tomorrow night. Going to Ed Lammers. Texans, Jadeveon Clowney, the two-color patch. The red very small down there. Numbered out of 49, Jadeveon Clowney is going to Sean Cates. Next out for the Philadelphia Eagles, Derek Barnett, number to 49. Eagles hitting a lot. Not the big ones, but hitting. John Strong getting that one. Last card out of Gold Standard is CJ Beathard. Numbered out of 75. This RPA goes to the San Francisco 49ers. Derek Leroy. Nice hit, Derek. Every time I bump that table, my camera's moving. Alright, we have one box left. It is Pantheon. Now, I've been I've looked into these metal cards that come out of Pantheon lately. And I didn't realize they actually sell pretty decently. Good players, it seems, will sell for like 10 to 20 bucks. Good players, big names selling for even more. And then the gold ones out of 10. We pulled a 101 out of here as well. Alright, this one metal card is going to the Saints, Michael Thomas. It's out of 50. Saints card belongs to Larry Moretti. And for the Panthers, not the one you wanted, Curtis Samuel. Big jumbo rookie relic is out of 90. It's 1 out of 99. Adds a little bit of coolness. You still can, Josh. That card going to Greg Flew. There's still room in National Treasures left. You guys wanted National Treasures baseball. There's a handful of spots left in that one. Dual relic John Ross for the Bengals in his college and pro jersey. Bengals hit belongs to Gene Brown. And it's numbered to 99. That's pretty cool. Old and faded. Johnny Unitas for the Colts. Nice old faded jersey there. Player worn material out of 99. Colts hit. Welcome to the breaks. Goes to Jake Jacob. That's a cool one. Better than your average relic. Not a bad autograph here. 10,000 yard rusher Frank Gore for the San Francisco 49ers. Good break for you, Derek Leroy. Couple nice hits. Frank Gore here is numbered 6 out of 49. Second to last card is Corey Coleman for the Cleveland Browns. Patch auto. Corey Coleman is numbered to 99. He's got those Browns. Greg Flew. Greg Flew, you're going to end our break as well with an even better one. Deshaun Kaiser, rookie patch auto for the Cleveland Browns. That one is out of 49. Well, I say it's even better, but I don't know. I would dump that now. He doesn't look like he's going to be the answer to the Browns' woes. Number to 49, Deshaun Kaiser. All right, hits and rewind. And the Kaiser RPA right out of at the end. Corey Coleman patch auto. Frank Gore autograph Niners. Johnny Unitas patch. John Ross, dual relic. Curtis Samuel, big patch. Metal card, Michael Thomas, C.J. Beathard, RPA, Niners. Derek Barnett, autograph, Eagles. That's true, Greg. Jadeveon Clowney, Texans. I feel bad for him. I want to see him win soon. Paxton Lynch, Broncos. Kareem Hunt, rookie relic, Chiefs. Pierre Garçon, base with Chris Ivory, base. Drew Pearson, wondrous receivers autograph. D.D. Westbrook, RPA for the Jags. And Gerard Evans, RPA, Eagles. Le'Veon Bell autograph for the Steelers. Jordan Howard, triple color patch for the Bears. Zach Ertz, relic, Eagles. Derrick Henry, relic, Titans. Laquan Treadwell, relic, Vikings. And Tyrod Taylor, Kirk Cousins start us out. Alright guys, there'll be more football posted soon. I'm going to go eat some dinner before we do this basketball break. So I'd say look for it in about 20 minutes.